Hello and welcome to this training module for VMS Plus for 3D Echo. In this video you will learn how to process your 3D Echo scene with the VMS Plus for 3D Echo application, ready to create your 3D model and results. The first step is to find and label the 7 views that you will need to create your VMS Plus 3D model. These views are shown in the right-hand panel. To find your 7 views, you need to manipulate the 3D Echo. Let's start by finding the parasternal short axis aortic valve view. Your selected 3D Echo study will open in the Study tab. The 3 planes of your 3D Echo are shown at the top of the frame, labeled by the colored borders, green, red and blue. Below is the 3D view showing how the 3 planes intersect. To enhance the image, use the brightness and contrast sliders in the view box. Use the frame slider in the playback box to move the scene forward and back 1 frame at a time. The scene reel can be played by pressing the play button with the speed adjusted using the speed slider. The 3D view can be rotated by clicking on any plane and dragging the image. Planes can be toggled on and off using the colored buttons as shown. Press the spin button to auto-rotate the 3D view. To find the views required to create your VMS Plus model, manipulate the image planes in the top 3 frames. In this example, you can see by moving the blue line within the green image, the 3D view changes. You can also rotate each image to better orientate the required view. In this example, the trainer is adjusting the green and red frames to find the parasternal short axis aortic valve view in the blue frame. Once you have found the required view, first click on the view frame, then click on the template to label it. Your labeled view appears to the left. Once labeled, click on Reset. Now repeat the process to identify and label each of the remaining views. Here we see the trainer find and label the apical 4-chamber view for the right ventricle. Once all the required chamber views have been labeled, click on Create. We now move to the 2D tab. This shows all the views labeled from the previous step. In this step we will select and then place points on each view. Click on your first view. This is the 2D slice created from the 3D Echo. To adjust the contrast and brightness, click on the mountain button. Then use the sliders. Using your mouse scroll wheel, find the frame showing end distal. Now click the red heart icon and drag the template over the view. Release the mouse button to drop the template. The position of individual points can be adjusted by clicking on the point and dragging it to the required location. Double-click with the mouse button to drop the points. Additional points can be added. Click on Guide panel, and click and drag the point types required onto the image. Now use your mouse scroll wheel, find the frame showing end systole. Now click the blue heart icon and drag the template over the view. Release the mouse button to drop the template. The position of individual points can be adjusted as before. Repeat this process for each of your 2D Echo slices. Once they are all processed, click on Calcs to run the KBR. This shows the 3D model created from the 2D Echo slices. The cardiac metrics are shown in the right-hand panel. You can move between volume, strain, and general calculations. Thank you for watching our VMS Plus 3D Echo training video. Join us again soon.